Perfect, perfect,
Now you are 100% of ungranulated grade A beaten sugar.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jaleesa Ayoka. If you're new here, I hope that at some point in this video you do decide to subscribe, and if you do, make sure you hit that notification bell so you can get notified every single time I post a video. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be bringing you guys this green eyeshadow look. I was inspired by Savannah Silver here on YouTube. She recently did a green eyeshadow look. It was nothing like this, but it involved green and I really liked it. So I wanted to play with green at my own skill level. So if you guys want to see how I created this green eyeshadow look, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so like I said, we're going to go into some green today. And the green that I really want on my lid is going to be from the Tarte Pro Remix palette. And it is this green right here, and I can't wait to put that on my lid. But first we gotta like build it up so it makes sense. So I'm gonna go with my trusty dandy Nubian palette by Juvia's Place, and I dropped it the other day, so as you just saw that piece of eyeshadow fall. Yeah, I broke it, but nonetheless, the main colors still survive. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of this, a little bit of this, and a little bit of this, and maybe a little bit of this. So I'm going to start with my crease area. And for my crease area, like I said, I'm going to start with this. Actually, I'm going to start with this color right here, the little orangey kind of brown color. But before we do that, let me prime my eyelids. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in a phone. It's the same concealer I use to clean up my eyebrows. I'll take the same brush that I used to clean up my eyebrows with. Now I'm going to take this fluffy blending brush and I'm going to go in with this color right here. And yeah. Going to put that in the crease area, well, the transition area I should say, so right above the crease. Okay, so now that we have that color, I'm going to go in with a more angled blending brush that looks something like this. And then I'm going to go in with this color right here. And I'm going to pop this color into my crease area. Like dead in my crease. Like I'm starting to look a little crazy, but I got this. So I'm going to go back with that first color. I'm going to blend it out. So I'm going to use a little bit of a shorter brush like this, and I'm going to go in with this is not black, it's a very dark brown color. So I'm going to go in with this, and I'm going to kind of emphasize like the outer area and the crease. I'm going to kind of stamp it on because I kind of want to create a line with it. So just stamp it on the outside like so. So like kind of sort of like if you're doing a wing liner. Go back in with the brush that I used for this red color because I feel like I lost a little bit of it. I'm just going to blend out the edges of this. Light hand, small little circles. going to go in with this beautiful, beautiful green color. Oop, this beautiful, beautiful green color right here. And this is from the Tarte Pro Remix palette, and this is in the color Explosion. So I'm going to take a flat brush like this, and I'm just going to apply that color all over my eyelids. Well, the inner third of my eyelid, I should say. Now this is color. This is color. Oh, this is color. So now I'm going to go in with the red color that I went in. Oh, I'm just loving how green this is. Oh, I'm going to go in with the red color that I use in my crease. And I went to look in. There's no mirror in that palette. I went to look and it was not there. I'm going to keep using the mirror in the Tarte palette because it's so big. And I'm just going to go in where that green line is. And I'm just going to lightly make little circles to kind of blend the green out a little bit without doing too much. And then in that dark brown color that we use on the outside, I'm just going to take a little bit of that and make sure where that and the brown meet and the green meet is nice and blended. I actually really didn't need any on the brush. Just go where that line is and kind of blend the two. Ooh, I really like this look. I'm not going anywhere. I'm so sad I'm not going anywhere. This turned out really good. And then I'm just going to take this brush that I used to do the crease color. I'm just going to blend out the edges. There's nothing on it. I didn't add anything additional on it, I should say. I'll blend it out. Okay, now that I have done the base, we're going to go in on the under eye. So first thing we're going to do on the under eye is we're going to go in with the Nubian palette, and we're going to go into that. Everything's just everywhere. It's just so dusty. We're going to go into this color right here first, and we're going to put that all along the lash line. Now we're going to go in with this color right here, this dark brown color. And we're still going to smudge that as well. And now we're going to go into the same Tarte palette that we used for our green eyeshadow, and we're going to go in with this color right here, and we're going to put that in our tear duct area. And this color is called Splatter. So we're going to take a small brush. I have this really small angle brush here, so I'm just going to dip into this color, tap off the excess, and we're going to put that in our tear duct area. I don't have a pointed tear duct. My eye fold comes over it, so I'm going to put it on my eye fold. I think I want to put a little bit of green on the lower lash line as well. And we're going to go in with that green. We're going to dab into it, and we're going to line that on our waterline. Not waterline, or lower lash line. I think I'm going to focus it on the same area. And I'm pretty much just patting it on. On the inner thirds of our eye, just to kind of match the upper lid. Alright, so now I'm going to spray my entire face with this e.l.f. and then I'm going to set my face with this. Doing this in the winter is a real skill, because that's just going to take some of the powderness away. I'm going to take the brush that I used to apply my foundation, and I'm just going to push everything into my skin. I'm going to use the color that we use in our inner tear duct to highlight my face. We're going to go back in with that color. It's called Splatter. And I know this is like so unorthodox, but I love using like cool tone highlighters, even though like they're not necessarily perfect for my skin tone, but I feel like it works with the eyeshadow look. So there you go. I'm just gonna push that into my skin like so. So I'm tapping the brush into it, trying to get it all over, then tapping off the excess, and then I'm just pushing it into the skin. I don't swipe my highlighters because I have texture skin, and swiping your highlighters, even though I'm highlighting, it's going to already highlight my texture. Swiping it is just going to make it even worse. So we try to avoid the stuff that we can avoid now, can't we? And I'm putting this everywhere that I would normally highlight. So forehead, cheeks, I did my nose, a little bit on the chin, a little bit too much on the chin there, and then my upper lip. I'm going to go in with that color that we use in the crease area, that reddish brown color, this color right here. As you can see, she gets a lot of work, and we're going to use her as a blush. I forgot to highlight my brow bone, so I'm going to go back in with the brush that I used to do my tear duct, And I'm going to go in with that same color, and we're going to put that on the brow bone area. Not too drastic. Just... And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my lippy. And for the lippy today, I'm using a lip gloss. And this lip gloss is by My Cosmetic line. And it is in the color Chocolate Kisses. So this is the final look. I'm going to go wash my hands because they look crazy. And maybe take some of this product out of my hair, and then I'll be right back. So I hope that you guys enjoyed creating this makeup look with me. If you do recreate it, make sure you tag me on Instagram. My Instagram is right here. It is Jaleesa Ayoka. Yeah, so make sure you're also following me on there. I do post videos that I don't post on YouTube also on my Instagram. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share this video with one friend. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.